Our big story tonight, the Wildlife World Zoo says nothing will happen to the jaguar that attacked a woman who crossed a barrier over the weekend. But we are also learning more about previous attacks at that zoo that left a zookeeper in the hospital.
Team 12's William Pitts has more on that zookeeper story, and we want to warn you, some of this video is very graphic.
This is not the first time someone's been attacked by a jaguar at the Wildlife World Zoo. It's not even the first time this jaguar has attacked someone.
She has been known to be the more aggressive jaguar there, and she has reached through the enclosures before.
And Morgan Johnson was on the other end of those claws. Morgan says she was a zookeeper at Wildlife World Zoo in 2018. She was helping a coworker move Sarah the jaguar from one cage to another. Her coworker yelled for help.
Sarah grabbed her with her paw, and I went over to help her get loose, and I ended up getting attacked.
Morgan was trying to use her bare hands to get Sarah to let go. This is what happened to her arms.
She got me on my hand, my forearms, my wrist, and I had to be hospitalized and have surgery. I had over 30 stitches.
Morgan says her mom reported the injury. The State Department of Occupational Safety confirmed to 12 News the case was handled administratively. They asked the zoo to, in their words, abate the issue. But Morgan says the jaguar had reached through the cage, the same thing the jaguar did on Saturday. The difference, Morgan was an employee. The woman who was attacked was a visitor, not supposed to be that close. Wildlife World Zoo says the woman from Saturday was trying to take a selfie past a barrier meant to keep her away. Paramedics say the woman was treated but not taken to the hospital, and the zoo says she's since come back.
She wanted to come in to apologize, so I accepted her invitation to come in.
Meanwhile, the zoo says the jaguar has been removed from display but will not be euthanized. William Pitts, 12 News.
William, thank you.